Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and just doing another little update video. I think my last video was on Monday, so we're Thursday today, and just going to show you the progress of my plants, tomatoes and peppers, and you'll be able to see how crazy they're going. And I am actually going to be refilling my nutrient bucket with a mixture of fish emulsion, which is basically fish waste, fish guts, fish. It's made from fish and it stinks really bad. But it comes in a gallon jug. It's really thick like molasses, and just mix it with water. And then I also have worm castings that are liquefied, and that's also in my solution, and that's what we're going to be running through there today. So I'm going to flip you around and just go about my business and get it done. Not that big of a deal, but here we go. Right there. So it's going to be in that bucket back there. Let's see if we can do this without making a mess. Smells like I'm at a lake. I just got done fishing for the day. Just like you were cleaning all your fish. Oh yeah, it just stinks. And we have some left. So we're gonna spread that amongst the rest of my plants. But here we go. We'll start with the pepper plants. This little guy's starting to grow. And he'll catch up, but Poblano is really starting to go crazy, and the Cal Wonders, it's growing. And then we go over here. The biggest progress of the week is the black cherry. It is actually, it was tall, medium, small, and now it's catching up to this one really quick. But this is the yellow pears, and that thing's, over a foot tall. This one, and it's starting to spread out wide, and it's starting to get heavy, so I gotta definitely get that trellis on there. And then we got the black cherry, and they're doing great. So those are doing great. And then we got the bananas, which are doing great. And we get over here. A lot of new leaves are growing on the bananas. All the little pups got brand new growth coming in. And the lettuces, spinaches. There's dill, the shards coming up. Got the basil over here, and red romaine and green romaine over here. Seems like the red romaine is going a little slow, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. And we got a few more little sprouts coming in up here. And we got our peppers. New peppers are coming in, and it's still flowering also. Got a lot of little flowers on it. And same with this one, we're flowering, and we're actually starting to fruit. And yeah, but got flowers all over that, so we're definitely going to get more peppers out of that. And then we got the citronella. That thing, I just can't believe how much it has grown since November, when I finally brought everything inside. So basically a month inside. And we got the small little banana trees. They're all doing great. And then we got my girls over here, and they're all doing great. And these are basically 4 weeks about, and that I love that critical right there. It's just, it's pretty nice. It's gonna be a pretty plant. And then this one here, there's blue cheese or royal cheese. It's already starting to get hairs on it, but yeah, they seem to be doing great. Like I said, this is my first time growing, and I'm just kind of keeping an eye on them, learning as I go, and they seem to be doing great. And this one's really starting to fill out. This one here, this one looks, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to stake that one. And yeah, it seems to be doing a little under the weather. Doesn't look bad, but not as strong as the others. But they're doing all right. And in another couple of weeks, they will be underneath the stairs where they can finish up. But yeah, so probably have what, 4 more weeks of the veg stage before it starts to flower. That will be what, 8 weeks, I think, is when, I could be wrong, but I believe it was 8 weeks, and then we can start trying to get them to flower. Change the 12 on, 12 off, and that's when they'll be under here, because I can control that much better by closing that off from the rest of the room. And but yeah, see, there's plenty of room down here for all 7 plants. And that's that. Make another video after maybe next Monday. That way, Monday's Christmas Day, right? Maybe I'll do it on Christmas Day, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be staying home that day, because I'm going over to my parents' house on Christmas Eve to see all my family and my 3 boys. And I don't know, they might come over Christmas Day too. I don't know, we'll see. But that's that. Grow food, everybody. Have an amazing weekend, and have a Merry Christmas, and enjoy time with your families. See you later.